Hi guys, and welcome to DIY Ideas, and welcome to a new scarf tutorial. I'm going to show you a pattern tutorial here today, a whole pattern. You can see it's like double crochets that are always around a chain stitch of the row before. It's really simple, really lovely results here, a great pattern. And I did this here with color fade wool. You can see here different colors. Some lighter, then darker, then some like mint or like turquoise, and some other types of gray. And all of this is just super cozy. I'm going to show you the wool in a little more detail in a minute, and the hook as well. Alright, so here we are with this nice big ball of yarn, 150 grams, 180 meters long. It was €6. It has a few different colors in here. It starts in like white, then it goes into gray, then a turquoise, and then another 2 tones of gray. This is meant for size 4.5 crocheting hooks, but I am going to use my size 6. I already showed this in a haul video and I think it worked really well. We have a mix here of polyacrylic, wool, and 10% polyester. Polyacrylic was 75 and wool 15%. And you can see here already what the yarn kind of looks like. We have 2 black gimp threads that gonna give like a little bit of structure to the yarn. You can see it's kind of like, a little wavy looking. I'm going to start crocheting here with a multiple of 4. And in this case, it's going to be 24 chain stitches. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20, 21, 22, 23, and 24. Okay, so this is a nice width already, as you can see. It's actually pretty wide. A few of these stitches are ready for height, so yeah. But yeah, anyway, it's going to be a nice width here for the scarf. The first 4 we will skip here. Okay, and then into the 5th one we go in right here and add 4 double crochets in total. This is number 2. And then a chain stitch and then another 2. So that's how it's 4 in total. So it's always 4 double crochets into this one stitch. It's getting pretty crowded. And in between the 4, so after the first 2 double crochets, we have a chain stitch in the middle. The chain stitch that we have in the middle is going to be exactly where we will put our next pack in the next row. Okay? Then we skip 3 chain stitches. We go into the next one, the 4th one. And again, double crochet, another double crochet, take some more wool, a chain stitch, and another 2 double crochets. And with this rhythm, we will continue here. So that we always have we always skip 3 chain stitches on the bottom, and then we add 4 double crochets with a central chain stitch. And you can see here already what the wool looks like. It's a nice contrast with the, it's not a full white, it's more like a very light cream color. And then the black, it's a nice contrast for sure. And a nice structure. Okay, skip 3 again. And then again 2 double crochets, a chain stitch, and another 2 double crochets. Okay, skip 3 again. And then towards the end now, we should have 3 chain stitches left. Okay, so this is the last pack of 4. You can see 5 in total. And then here we have the last 3 chain stitches. Into the very last one here I will add a double crochet, and then the row number 1 is actually done. You can see here it's a nice width for sure. And now for the next row, we add 3 chain stitches for height. Then we turn it around and continue with the same pattern. So always around the chain stitch of the row before, the central chain stitch, we add the same idea. So we always add the 4 double crochets and with a central chain stitch in between them. Okay, so you always just look for the chain stitch of the row before and then add the same pattern in there. Okay, here 2 more. Okay, next one, so 2 more double crochets, then a chain stitch and another 2 double crochets. And you can see here what it looks like now, how it's kind of, you know, always on top of each other. Around every chain stitch, we're adding the pack of 4, so the 4 double crochets with the chain stitch in the middle. Again, chain stitch and another 2. Then we're back on the outside. Here at the edge we have the very first chain stitches here from the very beginning, and around there we will add a double crochet, and we will always do this at the border. Okay, so we always have the 3 chain stitches here for the height, and then when we reach that we finish off with just 1 double crochet at the end. Okay, so on the outside we either have the 3 chain stitches or the double crochets, and that's the same height-wise. Double crochet, chain stitch, 2 more double crochets. I'm going to show you this whole row still here. Here again, 2 double crochets, chain stitch, and another 2 double crochets. Here we have 2 packs left to crochet for this row. Then we're here, double crochet, chain stitch, and another 2 double crochets. And here to finish off another double crochet, and then we are done with 3 rows here in this pattern. I'm going to continue crocheting this and I will give you an update. Alright guys, so here's my update for you. And as you can see, I already crocheted quite a bit, and I have 2 colors already in my scarf. This is the white and this is the gray. And now we have actually the next color switch coming up. And so you can see here that this is not knotted, but it's actually fully dyed through. And so that's really nice. And then this next part here is going to be turquoise or mint. And then we have another light gray and then another dark gray coming up. Although it looks a little different than the one I was just crocheting, but we'll see what it looks like when it's actually crocheted. So I am going to continue here at this spot and we'll crochet more double crochets. And you can see here, this is the color switch here. And then here we have the next spot. And we'll see you again when I'm done with all the yarn. Okay guys, so here's my update for you guys. I'm almost at the very end of the ball of yarn. I have a little bit left, and this is all that's left actually, but it's unfortunately not enough for another row. And so I'm just going to pull this out and then pull it tight. I could have actually cut this, but that's okay. Let's see. I'm going to cut this here, shorten it. Then this end obviously we will hide, and the same with the beginning thread. And the scarf really has a nice length. It's about 1.50 meters long, and just, yeah, super nice and wide, super cozy also. And just with the wool parts that it has, it's really nice and warming. Great for the spring or a cooler day. You can just wrap it around your shoulders, or, you know, scrunch it together a little bit and wear it on your neck. And yeah, I really hope that you guys liked this video. If you did, then please go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time back here at DIY Ideas. Bye guys!